What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your unsupported system. For example, if you don't have secure boot or TPM 2.0 or your processor is unsupported, there is a way how to bypass that. If you're going to decide to do that, make sure back up your system in case if something's going to go wrong, you'll have all your critical files backed up. So for example, if we went to this website and then we scroll all the way down, and then we downloaded this PC health check app, and then we're gonna open it real quick, install it, and once the installation is complete, we press on here, check now, and as we can see, the processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11, and TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC, and then secure boot. I'm going to show you how to bypass this, but you have to follow step by step. So then we're going to go to this website, and then we're going to download Windows 11 ISO file. So scroll down, then right here we're going to download ISO, select download Windows 11, and then press on download, and then choose your language, and then confirm, and then press on download. Once the download is complete, we need to navigate to download folder, and then in download folder, we need to right click on it, and we need to extract this file. And for example, if you don't see extract here, then we need to go to Google or Bing, and we need to download 7-zip. And then in here, I'm just gonna go here, and I will leave all links in the description below, and I'll download this one. And then we need to install real quick. Yes, and then install, close, go back to your download folder, and right here, right click on it, and then you'll see 7-zip, and in here we need to press on extract to Win11, and it's just gonna extract to a folder. And then once it's done, double click on the folder, and then we need to go to sources folder, and right here we need to find file called appraisers, and make sure don't press on appraiser but appraisers, and then right click on it, and then press on open with, and then show apps, and then we'll select Notepad, and then we'll press OK. Maximize this window. So right here, what we need to do, we need to search for TPM entries, and then just press on edit, and then press on find. And then in here, we'll have to type TPM, and then we'll have to press on find next, and then we'll have to delete every TPM entry. But before we do that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna start the setup just to show you that it's gonna fail. And you can see right here, it says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So I'm gonna click close, and then I'm gonna go back here, and we're gonna go back to our Notepad, and right here, we're gonna find every TPM entry, and we're gonna delete every single one of them. And then once you're gonna delete every single entry, you'll get to this message, cannot find TPM, press OK, and now we have to change this to UEFI, and then press find next. We'll have to delete this entry, and that's it. And then we need to press OK here, and then close this, and then we're gonna press on file, and we're gonna save file. So file is safe. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna verify, I'm gonna double check just to make sure it's saved. TPM, find it, can't find it, okay. And then I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna restart the process, and then we will see if this is gonna work again or not. Press next. As you can see, we already passed that error, error never showed up, we'll just press accept, and it's checking for updates, and hopefully it's gonna start installing. And once the installation is gonna start, I'm gonna switch over to my camera. Okay, looks like it's ready to be installed, and then we'll just press on install, and that's it. Now we just have to wait until it's gonna install Windows 11. And once you get to this screen, just press on enter, and then if you have password, type your password here, and then enter. And that's it. You have Windows 11 installed on your unsupported system. All the links from the video I'm gonna leave in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.